today we'll talk about how can you link your email on your NovelToon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click your online down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on account and security here. You just click on it here. Then you click here on link email here, and here add your email address and your verification code. You click on next. Then it's going to take you to next step to link your email on your NovelToon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.